The official account tells us King Alfred of Wessex overcame a profound humiliation in 878, transforming his kingdom. But that narrative always felt incomplete. Just consider the scale of what truly happened after his defeat by the Viking leader Guthrum. What hidden calculations, what desperate stratagems, could mend a fractured realm? The truth, as we've uncovered it, points to a structural re-engineering of England itself. Alfred didn't just rebuild, he began by constructing over 30 fortified burhs. These weren't just walls. Each was a self-contained unit, housing defined defensive garrisons and supply areas. Together, they formed a network capable of fielding an astonishing 27,000 soldiers. That's fully 1/5 of his adult male population, a staggering mobilization. And placed strategically within a 20-mile radius, they offered constant refuge, weaving a defensive web across the land. It was a visible transformation, yet the most critical mechanisms remained unseen. Beneath the visible fortifications, Alfred instituted military reforms that fundamentally rewired his fighting force. He split his army into rotating contingents, ensuring constant readiness without exhausting his populace. But his vision wasn't limited to land. He personally engineered a formidable 250-ship fleet, specifically designed for coastal defense, even employing highly skilled Frisian mercenaries to master the seas. This wasn't merely about winning battles, it was about creating a deterrent, a posture of strength. Yet, the king's ambition extended even further, beyond steel and timber. A quiet power began to grow beneath the roar of battle. Alfred mandated educational reforms, requiring literacy for nobles and officials, a revolutionary decree that established a royal court school and ensured crucial works were translated into English. This fostered a sophisticated, literate government, a subtle yet profound shift in the very fabric of his administration. His influence expanded through calculated alliances, not just conflict. By 883, Mercia's Athelred became Alfred's vassal, offering both tribute and vital military support. After reclaiming London in 886, Alfred took an unprecedented title, King of the Anglo-Saxons, solidifying his claim through his daughter Ethelflad's marriage to Athelred. This period saw a formal treaty with Guthrum in the late 880s, defining borders and trade rules. It was a fragile peace, crafted to veil the true intent of some, a calculated pause before the inevitable. The illusion shattered. After Guthrum's death in 890, his replacement, King Eoric, reignited the conflict. Then came 892. The veteran Sea King Hastin launched a massive invasion, 250 ships strong. The world watched, waiting for the West Saxon king to crumble. What secrets did Alfred's transformed kingdom truly hold under such pressure? His diplomatic efforts were swift, but so too was his military response. Early 893 brought the Battle of Farnham, where hundreds of Norsemen were slain. Later, Hastin's starving army met its brutal end at Buttington, decisively encircled and defeated by a combined West Saxon, Mercian, and Welsh force. By 896, Hastin's invasion force dissolved, many settling in England, only 5 ships returning to the continent. These brutal, decisive victories were the ultimate validation, proving every strategic reform, every fortress, every hidden military organization invaluable. Alfred, who died in 899 at age 50 after a 28-year reign, had not merely survived, he had redefined kingship. He defeated 2 major Viking leaders, Guthrum and Hastin, constructed an unparalleled fortress network and fleet, educated his populace, reformed his army, and dramatically expanded his kingdom's influence. The epithet the Great was not bestowed lightly. It was earned through a masterful unveiling of power from the depths of despair. The question isn't whether this happened. The question is why no one said it sooner.